So we're here with Jody Fierz from Jody Fierz Interiors on our latest project. So if you want to just tell us about it.
So the whole concept about this project, which makes it special, as you know, each of our projects are completely different.
Yes.
And this family, they like to entertain a lot, they're very close-knit, extremely private, so they wanted their own sanctuary. What we did, if you can see, there's so many different elements going into this space. With all the different elements and the details, we needed to pick a stone that wasn't going to fight the design and more complemented the design, so we chose Fantasy Brown and a leather finish.
Yeah, it's a great stone for, its durability. It's very versatile. The leather finish, it fits the house perfectly. It's organic.
And it goes with all the elements. As you can see, we have the bronze and we have the walnut and we have the colors here. And I think people have this perception of traditional being the old school traditional. But if you take a look at this house, it's special because it doesn't have that old school feel.
It's got a lot of clean.
And it's warm. I believe that we really hit it perfectly with this Fantasy Brown. It just works with all the colors, it's not fighting anything, and it just complements the entire space.
Yeah, I think you nailed it.